In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of how you can share YouTube videos and playlists with your students or with others. I'm going to show a couple different platforms. Beyond that, you're going to maybe have to figure it out for each different platform that you might use. When I use the word platform, I'm talking about an LMS system or maybe a teacher website. You could want to share videos through a presentation like Google Slides or PowerPoint. And I'm going to show some approaches to that, and then otherwise you may figure it out on your own for each individual situation. I'm going to start with Schoology. I'm going to use my oil spill playlist and some of those videos from earlier to show you how I could use those in the classroom and how I can share them with my students. So I want to make sure I go to my class. I'm going to go to where I'm going to post the videos first. I'm going to post them in the oil spill project folder. What I'm first going to show is that I can embed each YouTube video into Schoology where it will play on this screen. So if you want the students to stay on the LMS, you don't want them going to YouTube specifically, you can embed the videos so that they'll play directly on Schoology. And I'm going to show that here on any learning management system, but I'm going to specifically show Schoology. If you go to YouTube, like I already have my playlist pulled up, I already have the videos pulled up. To embed a video, you have to do each video at a time, but you can click on the video, and there's a share option down here below the video, so you click on it, and one of the options is embed. There's also some different options here, but embed gives you a link. You can change where the video starts if you wanted to delay its start, but you can go ahead and copy the link. It'll show that it's highlighted. That means it's been copied, and you can go back to where you want to post it. On Schoology, you'll want to add it by adding a link. Go add link, paste the embed code in the URL, and then title it. I'm just going to title it Discover Oil Spills. And then you go ahead and you click add, and the once it processes, the video will pop up right here. If my students were to come in and look at this video, all they have to do is click on it, and it will play
oil spills suck. Some of them got millions
directly on the screen. So that's one of the options for playing videos, and for uploading one video at a time and having it play on Schoology. If I wanted to share the whole playlist, I wouldn't be able to have it embedded, but I could easily go to the home page of the playlist. Should look something like this, and at the top of the screen I can just highlight the URL. Back on Schoology, I can actually share that link. So you can share a link to a playlist, and it'll take your users directly to the playlist. So same steps for adding a link. This time I'm going to call it Oil Spill Videos, and I'm going to go ahead and add it just like I added the last one, but this time it'll just pop up as a link to another resource. So when a student comes in to use this, they would have to click on it a couple times here, and it takes them to the screen. They'll see the videos that they're supposed to watch. They'll see the owner of the videos, and from there they could do the activity that you've assigned, even if it's just watch the videos. So there's a couple different options using an LMS platform. You can embed the videos, you can link to the playlist. Again, just a couple here. The other option that I'm going to show you is that resources like Google, specifically Google Slides, can have videos shared on each slide. And the process for doing this is actually a little different than what I just showed you, because you don't actually have to go to YouTube. Some resources like Google actually work with YouTube. So if you go to Insert on Google Slides, there's an option for video. You might find this on other websites also, that it gives you the option to search videos. And when you click on it, it has a search by YouTube. So I can go here and I can type in oil spills, and it just brings up a bunch of different videos, and I might find the one, like this is one of the ones that I use in my class, so I can select it, click select, and it will, it's basically the same process of embedding into onto a slide. So it looks like that, and then when you go to present, it pops up like this, and you click play, and the video plays directly on your slides. So you don't have to have a link. You don't have to click on a link and go to YouTube. Very similar to embedding the resources directly there for you and the students to use. So those are just a few ways that you can use YouTube videos and share YouTube videos in your classroom. Again, the videos themselves can be posted and embedded, but if you want to use a playlist, it will have to be a link to the videos here, and it takes them to the entire list of videos.